Let's change how we plan for eating. Plan for eating like you plan a date, right? Know that Sundays are gonna be your prep days where you can marinate your proteins, you can cook off your carbs, and then what happens is during the week, you've already got a meal set up ready to go so that you don't waste time figuring out and end up eating some nonsense. Plan, let's get it. Snacking is a perfect opportunity to build better nutrition and to make sure that you're not just grabbing empty options. Go ahead and plan, grab yourself some good snacks so that when it's time, you can just pick up and go. With 7 days in a week and 3 meals a day, that's 21 options for variety. That means that gives you 21 chances to pick this over this. What that means is explore all the options, have fun with it. Stop going for easy and convenient. When and where you eat are major things. Sitting at a table and eating with friends and family allows you to eat slower, have better digestion. That's even better for nutrition. Also, too, this portion sizes. This is a snack. This is a meal. This will be your largest meal. What happens is I know that doesn't look like enough to make you full, but instead of just eating 3 times a day, you would eat 2 of these, and maybe 1 of those. And after you're done eating, pull out this little gadget and take some notes. If it was lunch, type in lunch and what you had. Dinner, do the same. Breakfast, do the same. That way you can journal and you can reflect on what made you feel good, what didn't make you feel good, and what you thought was more nutritious for your body. Food journaling is one of the best single things that you can do to make improvements in your nutrition this year.